Welcome back to Dr. Skull's Raw Comic Videos. Today we're continuing on with the massive amount of automobile stuff I won. And they're starting right off with a bunch of dealer brochures. The 2002 Mercedes, very artsy-fartsy there. And a Chrysler brochure. I've got the Crossfire, the PT Cruiser, and the Pacifica. So I'd say that's somewhere in the 90s. And the Hush Bumper. I don't often get fire truck brochures. There's a bunch of this Thunderbird brochure. We will blow by those. 1990 International 9000 brochure. I don't often get semi-brochures either. Eagle Cab Over by International. And this is... good question. I think it's 1977. Oh, she's a beaut though, isn't she? And most of this stuff will be getting shorts. This is just an overview. Another International brochure. Oh, same one again, 9300. A slightly newer 9300 from Navistar. Fancier International 9000 Conventionals brochure. More of a prestige one. Very sharp there. Another fire truck brochure. Heavy Rescue. That's cool. 2002 Chevy Trucks brochure. 9700 Premium Cab Over International brochure. It's a sharp looking truck. Ford Performance Incorporated 1985 parts catalog for kits and parts both. The 2003 PT Cruiser Premium Catalog, or brochure, excuse me. International Trucks and Buses for every road you take, and it gives you the full line down there. 1991 Oldsmobile brochure, that's a big one. A couple more of the Thunderbirds, and dipping back to 1978 for the Ford LTD2. Jumping up 93, the Buick Regal, which for some reason has a boat on it. It's the Regal boat. It's pretty sharp, so it's not Buick. It's just a Regal. I'm so used to cars, I didn't expect to get a boat brochure. 1982 Cadillac brochure. And a little one here is an Alfa Romeo for people who consider driving an art. 1979 Ford LTD is kind of whooped, but it's still a cool brochure. I like the picture on the front. And the 1980 Better Ideas from Ford full line brochure with Thunderbird, LTD, Granada, Fairmont, Futura, Mustang, Pinto, and Fiesta. Some people would doubt the Better Ideas part. For the Frenchies, we have a Renault Fuego. This is definitely not my favorite Renault. 82 Lincoln Mercury full line brochure. And we have the 2011 Impala brochure. The 2000 even Silverado brochure. The Chrysler accessories for the Prowler brochure. That's kind of cool. A telescopic turret crane brochure. It's definitely not one I've had before. American La France Century 2000 brochure. Cobia Spectricolor 86 boating brochure, the official boat of Walt Disney World. Another International 9300 brochure. Another telescoping crane brochure. Yet, the fifth Thunderbird brochure. The Ford Commercial Trucks 1992 vans. I always loved me a good van. And we have a Nissan brochure. The race that changed everything, the sweepstakes. And this is the Ford 100th year of racing centennial brochure. International 9000 series premium conventional tractors brochure. 1999 Chevrolet full line brochure. That is a heavy book. That's practically a book. 2002 Chevy with the Corvette on the front. 82 Ford pickups. That's a little tiny brochure. Introducing the International 9200. The Ford F-150 to F-750 E series brochure. We have a Cadillac brochure, which, of course, they like to hide the years on Cadillac more than any other American-made vehicle. Got the CTS and whatnot. I'll figure that out later. 2002 Dodge full line brochure. 2000 GMC Yukon and Yukon XL brochure. And last but not least in this box, Ford Mustang Focus and ZX2 brochure. ZX2 is kind of a hard one to find. That was a cool little box of brochures. So if you like this sort of thing, please consider leaving us a like. If you'd like to see more, if you know somebody might like it, please consider sharing. If you'd like to see more, as always, subscribe. Our eBay links are in the description. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.